Hi, I'm Robert Macias from MachineSources.com. Now today we're visiting a company called E-Tech Machinery, and they are specialized in advanced grinding systems. Now this is the EGM 350 CNC. It's a 2-spindle system with OD and ID grinding, and it's made for complex parts of grinding parts in one setup. As you can see here, this is the EGM structure. You can see it's really low, so that means it has a very low center of gravity. Now, what that relates to is how good of a surface quality you can maintain with this type of stable base. E-Tech manufactures many of the critical parts in-house and uses the latest precision equipment to ensure your machines are built to spec each and every time. Each machine undergoes laser calibration inspection to ensure feeding and positioning repeatability are perfect and is fine-tuned for optimal performance and long-term operations. The workhead on this machine is very unique, as it can be adjusted quickly and easily for various lengths of workpieces. This makes for a versatile unit and reduces the setup and programming time. The EGI 150 CNC is the most economical choice in this series. It has 2 spindles on a single slide for ID and face grinding. The compact configuration is space-saving and perfect for mass production. Most importantly, this reduces the need for wasted movement, saving time, and therefore boosts productivity. This machine is unique and specialized for the ID and OD grinding of gears and spindle components that require precision and high throughput. Another standard and brilliant feature is the workhead, which is servo-driven, and that means the workpiece speed and torque are controlled with accuracy. A lot of other manufacturers don't offer this, and some only offer it at extra cost. The EGM 350L is developed specifically for long workpieces, requiring both deep ID grinding as well as OD grinding. It's an excellent choice for users processing HSK spindles. Also, a touch probe is equipped for end-face measurement, and key components are made of granite material to ensure high precision. E-Tech is familiar with HSK spindle processing, as well as the problems customers face. Therefore, we have strengthened the rigidity and reliability of the center frame by 30% compared to similar machines in the market. The EGM 450 for larger workpieces or rapid processing of large end-face grinding. E-Tech Machinery has equipped the Y-axis grinding wheel head with a grinding wheel from the EGP 25 series. The wheel has an OD of 405 millimeters, a thickness of 50 millimeters, and an ID of 127 millimeters. This means it can process up to an OD of 420 millimeters. Originally, this machine was special built for a client, but now many clients appreciate this machine's capabilities. E-Tech's conversational programming interface makes it possible for almost anyone with limited experience to set up a grinding job. The whole series is equipped with E-Tech's iGrind software. The operation is very easy, especially in the grinding wheel dressing function. The conversational programming, for example, is very easy to use for rough or fine finishing, re-execution of a single action, and it's all easily set up with the iGrind software. Contact E-Tech today for grinding solutions for your precision requirements.